In this video, you'll learn how to add fonts to your Mailchimp emails. By following this process, you can customize your email designs and enhance your branding through typography. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage. Open your preferred web browser and enter the Mailchimp URL. Once the page loads, you will see the Mailchimp dashboard. If prompted, enter your login credentials to access your account. After successfully signing in, locate the Create button on the main dashboard. This button is usually positioned prominently at the top of the page. Click on Create to proceed to the next step. Next, find and click on the Replicate option. This feature allows you to make a copy of an existing campaign. Once you select it, a list of your previous campaigns will appear, enabling you to choose the one you want to replicate. Once you've selected the desired campaign, look for the Edit Design button. This option is typically visible on the campaign overview page. Clicking this will direct you to the design interface where you can modify your email. In the design interface, locate the paragraph block. You may need to drag this block to the center of your email template to position it correctly. This action ensures your text is centrally aligned, which is crucial for visual appeal. After positioning the paragraph block, click into it and type your desired text. This step is essential as it forms the content that you will later format with your chosen font. Once you've entered the text, highlight it by clicking and dragging your cursor over the text. This action prepares your text for formatting changes, including font selection. But now look for the font option in the formatting toolbar. Clicking on this will display a drop-down menu containing various font choices available in Mailchimp. Choose your preferred font from the drop-down list. The selected font will be applied to the highlighted text, allowing you to see the changes immediately on your email design. Be mindful that using custom fonts may affect email deliverability and rendering across different email clients. Always preview your email to ensure the selected font appears correctly before sending it to your... That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.